So at Halloween Haunt, this is our 20th season, and we have some returning favorites. Of course, we have hundreds of monsters through the park. We have 7 scare zones, 6 haunted mazes. But the new thing this year is the Conjuring Beyond Fear. So this is an immersive attraction. It's nothing like anything we've done here before. Small groups of 8 people or 10 people will go through at a time, and it's interactive. So if you know the film franchise, it's just like the movies, and you are recruited as a paranormal investigator to help contain these dark forces that have gotten out. The entire experience lasts more than 20 minutes, and it is an extra charge activity, but people are going to love it. It's nothing like anything we've ever done here at Halloween Haunt. We hope everyone enjoys. There are some changes here at Halloween Haunt this year to our program policies. New this year, we have a chaperone policy, and what that means is that guests who are 15 years or younger need to have with them someone who is 21 years or older. So there's information on our website, but this is in effect as of 6 p.m. Every haunt night, and people are asked to just make sure that they have ID on them, so that when they're here at the park, they can check that ID, and it's all just to ensure people have a great time here at the park. So the chaperone for that group, who needs to be 21 years or older, will need to have a ticket here to the park as well. Now, while you don't have to be with the youth all night, you do need to be available by phone in case any of the staff need to get a hold of you. So for anyone looking to come to Halloween Haunt, there's some important things to know. You can buy your tickets online at canadaswonderland.com, but when you come to the park, you have to make sure to look at our code of conduct. So in addition to the chaperone policy, we also have a bag policy in place. So only small bags of a certain size are allowed in after 6 p.m. Guests are not allowed to wear costumes or any masks or makeups. Only our professional actors are allowed to wear costumes and masks, and this is really just for a safety measure so we can tell everybody apart. As well, there's no re-entry after 6 p.m. But all of these details are on our website at canadaswonderland.com. So for anyone who doesn't know Halloween Haunt, it's a great event. Like I said, this is our 20th season, and not only do we have haunted mazes, scare zones, hundreds of monsters through the park, we also have all of our rides are open. So we have night rides people can enjoy and live entertainment. We have a fire show called Inferno, a drum show with skeletons. Again, all the details are on our website. And of course, for families, we have scare-free fun during the daytime, Saturdays and Sundays through to November 2nd at Camp Spooky. So this is a lot of fun with our Peanuts characters. We have trick-or-treat adventures, the kids' rides, scare-free mazes for them to try, pumpkin decorating, and live shows. And that is included with admission, and it runs 11 o'clock in the morning until 5 p.m. Saturdays and Sundays through fall. One other new thing this year, for anyone who does know our Halloween Haunt events, now we do not have a separate entrance. So if you come during the daytime, you can stay right through into the evening for Halloween Haunt. The park does not close anymore in between. We're open from the morning straight through to the evening.